Welcome to YOUCANIC. Today here on YOUCANIC we have a 2019 Nissan Sentra, and we're going to go over how you would replace your dome light. So this is a dome light, it's in the middle of the vehicle. Turn it on or off. We've got it on the off option, but to replace it, use a small screwdriver, and you're going to want to pop this end that's close to the switch, and you pop it, and then you're able to move it down, pop that out, and then here's the light. This light is removed by just pulling the tab on this side. If you pull the tab, and then the light will come out. So here's the light, and so when you need a new light, this is a DE3175, and so you would get a new light, and you just put it in that end in on the other side where this tab, and then just snap it up into place. Double check it works, and then take your cover. I'm gonna put that in over there, and then just lock it up and snap it into place. So that's how you replace your dome light on your 2019 Nissan Sentra. Thanks for watching YOUCANIC, where you can be the mechanic.